started out as a fun, relaxing day. We were going on a hike to find a fishing spot. As always, John loves to go off the path. Should have brought my sickle. He's got me going through taller things than me again. I had to keep stopping. The forest, the plants, they were alive with insects, bees, and cicadas. I should have known. We should have known.
I'm too short for this.
It was hot, and we were heading towards a marsh. What can start off as fun can quickly turn dangerous. And as we headed deeper into the wilderness, going fishing. Hopefully not just casting.
Yeah.
These are not fishing spots. I don't know what they consider fishing, but, and it smells. It didn't occur to me that if anything happened, we were far from help, and we may not have been 100% prepared. After quite some time, we arrived at the edge of the marsh, and John set up to do some fishing. I was 2 feet away, taking pictures of a beautiful monarch butterfly. It was quiet and peaceful. But then all of a sudden I looked up, and there were hundreds of bees swarming all around John. And I said, "There's all around us, there's all around us." And we ran. What happened?
Well, we found bees, I think.
There were about 100.
Yeah, around me.
100 of them, yeah.
One here, and one's got me here. Little buggers.
If that were me, I wouldn't be walking out of here. Kind of allergic.
I guess we know I'm not.
I guess so. Well, I'm like, "John, they're everywhere." And he ran. Whoop.
Yeah, I did that coming in.
He ran just a little. And then I was like, "No, I gotta wait." I said, "Are you okay?" Okay. Dangers. Ooh, water. Be careful out there. Make sure that you just have some sort of backup plan when you're going off path.
Hill, whatever. None of them all came up.
Above all, don't be afraid. Be smart. Have fun.
5.
Grab a can of tin soup
They're still here.
and keep exploring.
1 or 2.
Some motivation. Go a lot quicker on the way out. Yeah!